Good morning everyone. Now I will teach you how to remove the PIR sensor in solar light like this one. So ito yung PIR sensor nating tatanggalin. This is the PIR sensor that I want to remove. Okay. Reheat and desolder. Then do the other thing. Meron lang siyang tatlong pins. PIR sensor only has 3 pins. Then the last pin. Now as you can see, the solder was removed. Okay, by solder wick. Not completely. So therefore I need to reheat so that I can remove this PIR sensor. Continue reheating and pulling here. Yan o, maangat na siya. Painitan lang ng painitan. Okay. Hanggang matanggal. Reheat and reheat until the pin down. Do the other side. Okay. Okay. Now, PIR sensor was removed. Okay? Yan, ganyan lang pagtanggal, no? Ng PIR sensor ng ating solar light. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, maraming salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. Use solder wick, okay, to remove it.